This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, French pronunciation videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French monument, one of the most famous monuments in the capital city of France, Paris, that was elevated to consecrate the Virgin Mary. It is located on the Ile de la Cité in the 4th arrondissement of Paris. This is a Catholic cathedral that unfortunately was destroyed, or the roof of Notre Dame caught fire on the evening of the 15th April last year, 2019. So how do you go about pronouncing Notre Dame with the typical French pronunciation? Notre Dame. Notre Dame de Paris. Notre Dame. But if you cannot pronounce the French R, it'd be fine to say Notre Dame. Notre Dame de Paris. Note that in French, the S at Paris is silent, so you can say Notre Dame de Paris. Notre Dame de Paris. Notre Dame de Paris. Typical French pronunciation, Notre Dame de Paris. Notre Dame de Paris. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye bye.